Good day and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Formosa Plastic Group Museum. To explore this museum on your own, we'll help you navigate this museum from the third floor to know about the essence of the FPGM. Currently, you are at the Plastics and Fiber Industry exhibition area. We'll help you understand the plastics and fiber development history of the Formosa Plastic Group. Have you seen the Oscard on your right-hand side? In the 1950s, the plastics industry just began to take off, and the Formosa Plastic Corporation was producing a low volume of PVC resin at a relatively high cost. With a lack of downstream processing customers, sales took a serious blow. To overcome this obstacle, Founder Wang ignored objections and decided to reverse operation by increasing production capacity to reduce costs. At the same time, quality was improved to strengthen customer loyalty, and thus the corporation was able to break into the export market, successfully overcoming its obstacles. The Oscar played an important role in cargo hauling in those days, when transportation was not as convenient as it is today. Please look up at the carved wood of the Oscars. Every day, the Oscars would carry products to be loaded and shipped from Kaohsiung Port. The parade of these Oscars would line the roads from the Kaohsiung factory to the port, and what a spectacular sight it was. This scene, particular to Taiwan, also demonstrates the diligent, steady, and solid spirit of the Formosa Plastics Group. Please keep going, and you will see on your right-hand side a glass case which presents an injection molding machine and extrusion machines. These are two important tools of secondary plastic processing. Would you please stand in front of the injection molding machine? The injection molding machine can manufacture plastic products of complex shapes in large volumes in just one production step. This highly efficient processing method is widely applied to the manufacture of products such as cups, chairs, and other mass volume plastic items. Now, you should understand this method of manufacturing plastic products. Please keep going. Please stand in front of the extrusion machines. The extrusion machines operate on the same principle as squeezing toothpaste from a tube. Final products such as the PVC tubes of different sizes can be seen on the right side of the extrusion machines. Water pipes used in our daily life are made this way. Would you please keep moving? You will see the glass windows which presents a model of calendaring machine. It was also an important machine for second plastic processing. A calender is a series of hot pressure rollers used to finish or smooth a sheet of material such as paper, textile, or plastics. Calender rolls are also used to form some types of plastic films and to apply coatings. The calender is also an important processing machine in the rubber industries, especially in the manufacture of ties. In addition, it is also used for the manufacturing of printed curtains and tablecloth. As a result, the calendaring machines were purchased to meet such demands. Please keep moving forward and stand in front of the wall of black and white photos. Taiwan's economic development is closely related to the rise of its plastics industry. The wall of photos in front of you is testimony to the economic development in Taiwan after its retrocession from Japan in 1945. Did you know primary and secondary plastic processing can only produce intermediate goods? Plastic manufacturing processes have been developed to cover a wide range of applications. For any designer and engineer working in products development, it is critical to be familiar with the manufacturing options available today and the new developments that signal how parts will be made tomorrow. A number of products for daily use can be manufactured during the tertiary plastic processing. Secondary and tertiary processing industries subsequently flourished, allowing the use of plastic products to become widespread. The company went on to expand and saw the end of New Eastern Plastic Products Corporation. The group encouraged employees to start their own businesses and pass along corporate management methods, hoping to raise the capabilities of partner businesses to face difficult competition together. These precious photographs document the history of Formosa Plastics Corporation and are priceless treasures for the company as well as the development of Taiwan's industry. Now, we will enter the fiber display area. This unassuming machine you see before you is actually the first ever bobbin change shuttle loom in Taiwan. It shows that the FPG has entered the fiber industry. It was purchased in 1967 from Toyota Automatic Loom Works in Japan by Formosa Chemicals and Fiber Corporation, and it could produce up to 100 yards of fabric a day. However, with the corporate goal to achieve automatic production, the shuttle loom was replaced with new air-jet looms at 1986. The new looms not only spin at a much faster speed, but their production volume is also 4 times that of the bobbin change shuttle. Technology truly advances at an amazing rate. Please keep moving. Do you notice there are 7 different common artificial fibers displayed on the gray wall of the left-hand side? Have you ever seen them in your daily life? Would you please keep moving? You will see a white platform. Please stand in front of the blue sleeping bag. The display platforms present different artificial fibers. There are a large variety of artificial fibers available for many different industrial applications. Let's start with common artificial fibers. At first, you will see the rayon fiber, which is displayed on the gray wall of the left-hand side. It could enhance moisture absorption, so it serves as a better material for clothing, diaper, and so on. The sleeping bag in front of you is made of polyester staple fiber, which has good mold-resistant and moisture-proof qualities. Spandex is also used relatively commonly in stockings and swimming suits. Let's take a look at acrylic fibers, which are synthetic fibers made from a polymer. Strong and warm acrylic fiber is often used for blankets, which you can find on the left-hand side. Also, there's an item of camouflage clothing behind on your left-hand side, which is made of nylon fiber, which has an excellent quality of resistance to abrasion. Finally, do you notice there is a fishing rod which is made of carbon fiber, which is lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel? For more information about artificial fibers, you may take a look at the gray wall. In the 21st century, fibers have been widely applied to areas such as biomedical research, defense, aerospace engineering, communication, and electronics, and it will surely bring us even more surprises in the future. Our tour of the Formosa Plastic Group Museum on the 3rd floor has now come to an end. We hope you enjoyed this museum tour. Please press the pause button and take the elevator to visit other floors. Thank you for your visit, and we wish you a pleasant day.